Imagine waking up and realizing you've accidentally deleted a $300 billion company. No hackers, no villains, just one engineer hitting enter and accidentally Thanos snapping Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp off the face of the planet. Poof, gone. 3 billion people suddenly realized they had no way to look at pictures of their ex's lunch. Oh. Well, meet BGP, the internet's GPS. Facebook basically told every router on Earth, hey, I don't exist anymore, stop looking for me. It wasn't just a crash, it was a digital vanishing act so clean that even Facebook's own computers forgot where Facebook was. And here is the peak corporate comedy. When the engineers ran to the data centers to fix it, they were trapped in the hallway. Their high-tech smart badges were powered by the same network they just deleted. They were literally locked out of their own building by their own mistake. Irony, thy name is Mark. With the big three dead, the entire world migrated to Twitter like digital refugees. It was the only time in history everyone was actually nice to each other, for about 5 minutes. Then the server started smoking from the sheer, is it down, panic. Inside Facebook HQ it was the Stone Age. No email, no Slack, no internal tools. People were forced to do something horrifying. They had to walk to someone's desk and speak, out loud, with their mouths. Internal communication got so bad, people were basically 1 hour away from training carrier pigeons or using smoke signals to ask if the cafeteria was still serving avocado toast. But jokes aside, for millions of people in developing nations, WhatsApp is the internet. Small businesses ground to a halt, emergency services went silent, and families were cut off. In a single afternoon, the world realized just how dangerous it is to let one company hold the keys to global communication. So, how did they finally fix it? They didn't hack their way back in. They didn't write a genius code. They literally sent a team into a data center with an angle grinder to cut the cage open and manually reset the servers. $1 trillion problem, solved by a hardware store tool. When the dust settled, the whoopsie was expensive. Facebook lost an estimated $100 million in ad revenue, and their stock price took a $6 billion nosedive in a single day. That is a very high price to pay for forgetting to check the map before you drive off a cliff. By 6 p.m. the lights flickered back on. Reels started scrolling, messages started dinging, and the world breathed a sigh of relief. Or a sigh of disappointment depending on how much you enjoyed the peace and quiet. The lesson? Don't put all your digital eggs in one blue basket. When one company controls your photos, your business, and your family chats, a single oops at HQ becomes a global blackout. Maybe keep a physical phone book, or at least remember your mom's number. So next time Instagram goes down, don't panic. Just go outside, touch some real grass, and pray nobody at HQ is looking for an angle grinder. Stay connected, stay diversified, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.